Hello and welcome back. In this CompTIA Security Lab, we'll learn how to compare and verify MD5 hashes using Windows PowerShell. You'll see how to generate a file hash, compare it against a known hash value, and verify file integrity to detect unauthorized modifications or tampering. Let's get started.